Did you know that Italian bricks and roof tiles are healthy products free of harmful substances? They contain only clay, which is a natural mixture of silica and alumina-based minerals and water. Clay products contribute to human well-being, because they do not emit volatile or semi-volatile organic compounds that may be detrimental to human health. The permeable nature of clay surfaces prevents excessive moisture retention, reducing the likelihood of mold formation and the proliferation of harmful bacteria or fungi. Additives used in the ceramic body to enhance the thermal performance of buildings do not leave organic residues that could foster the growth of microorganisms. Recent scientific studies have demonstrated the negligible presence of heavy metals in clay products, further confirming their safety and healthiness. Clay products are also safe in the case of fire, as they do not combust or release toxic fumes.
Watch all the videos on the sustainability of the Italian ceramic tiles on ceramica.info.
The Italian ceramic tile industry is truly unique.